I grew up in, I always say, abject poverty because I hear so many people say, I grew up poor too. There were times when we didn't even have breakfast. No, I grew up po. That's a rung lower than poor. I didn't have breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You know.
Nunca había entrado una persona blanca en mi casa.
I don't necessarily feel that acting is about confidence. I feel it's about sensitivity. I feel it's about being a keen observer of life and being affected by the things that you do see. That's how an actor is. Actors walk through life almost like ghosts. They're the ones who see everything. Idiosyncrasies, the mess, the shortcomings, they soak it up. And that's what I did in my life. I knew all the drug dealers. I knew the people who were the pedophiles. I knew the people who were the town drunks. I, knew all the people who went to jail. And I looked and I watched. It really has been those kind of observations that has informed my work much more than confidence. I forget who said it, that acting is about standing in front of an audience naked and turning around very slowly.
Solo sabe mentir y asustar para salirse con la suya.
Evelyn, ya basta.
Es usted peor que el demonio.
I listen to people all the time saying, you want to be a stage actor, a TV actor, a screen actor. And I'm thinking, what does that mean? I wanted to be an actor. Your agent calls and says, I have an audition for you. Like, okay. And you know what? I'm gonna just be honest, is sometimes you do it for the money. Because 95% of us are unemployed at any given time. All these people you see up here represent 0.007% of the profession. For the most part, a lot of the roles you get are going to be really shitty. But guess what? You still have to dig into that role and do the work.
We're going to have to leave it there. It doesn't get much smarter or much better than Viola Davis. Thank you, Viola.